Method for using drum-packed aluminum alloy welding wire. Open the locking clasp of the drum and remove the cover plate. Take out the fixing rod and pressure plate from the drum. Thread the end of the welding wire through the weight sleeve. Next, install the drum cap and secure it tightly with the fixing ring. Pull out the end of the welding wire and trim the bent section. Pass the welding wire through the outlet hole from the inside of the drum cap. Insert the welding wire into the feed tube and fix the tube's connector to the outlet hole of the drum cap. Manually push the welding wire toward the wire feeder until it smoothly passes through the feed roller. Adjust the feed roller pressure appropriately, then advance the wire to the tip of the welding gun. Tighten the feed roller, close the protective cover, and continue feeding the wire to the welding gun's contact tip. So the wire threading process completes.